Alright, welcome back to my re-recording of my Shaula Report. This is going to be my last and final attempt, so here's to hoping. When I last left off, before the error on YouTube around 6 minutes, I was talking about where you can see Shaula in the night sky. I talked about how you can find it at the end and the tip of the scorpion's J-shaped tail, and how it was it's located very high in the sky, highest one due north. I talked about that you can see the Shaula most clearly in the summer months, June, July, and August, usually around midnight local time. So I'm going to be moving on to some nicknames, also what Shaula is known for. I'm probably not going to pronounce any of these right, but I will try. A lot of these were ancient names. Throughout time, Shaula has also been known as Shaka, Elisha, Masklek, and Shamlek. And the most common nickname for Shaula today is going to be called the Stinger Star of Scorpius. And I hear that a lot in those videos that you post on D2L. It's the only constellation named after a household pet, a cat. I don't know, something I thought I would just throw in there. It can also be referred to as the stinger or the cat's eye. Now I'm going to be moving on to the question about the history and different legends about my star. Shaula is an Arabic name for the scorpion stinger. And a few of the legends I found were going back to Greek mythology. According to one legend, Scorpius stung and killed a man they called Orion. He was a hunter, kind of arrogant, bragged a lot about being able to kill all the animals. So when Scorpius rises, Orion sets. Another legend claims that the stars are not only the sting of the scorpion tail, but that they're also two eyes of an ancient cat, and that these eyes are watching over us, or were watching over us. Every summer they would come out to protect us in a way. They seem basic to the naked eye, but when viewing through a telescope can reveal secrets that have been kept hidden for thousands of years. So ancient Greeks believed that not only Shaula was protecting them, but that also you can uncover hidden secrets through my star with the telescope. According to tradition, Shaula is in conjunction with Mars, Uranus, and Saturn, and could always point out danger from wild animals. This is what I mean by it was a protector. In ancient times, the people would depend on finding the star in order to steer them away from being massacred or any kind of trouble, really. Scorpius is a constellation in the southern hemisphere located near the center of the Milky Way. It was introduced by, and I'm going to mess up this guy's name, Ptolemy. It's the Ptolemy guy. Introduced by him in the 2nd century, Scorpius represented the scorpion that stung and killed Orion, the mythical Greek guy I explained earlier. He was the hunter who bragged he could kill any wild animal, so Earth sent the scorpion to kill Orion after hearing about his arrogance. So those are some of the Greek legends. Now I'm going to talk about just some random facts. These also were things that didn't really fit in any category. But before I do that, why don't I shut off the camera and make sure that